Hello. Today I'll be talking about the five essential components of GIS. The first component, which is hardware, and hardware which includes the computer, servers and storage devices that allows us to process and store the geographic data. For example, I am using my laptop to record this session, so I can consider my laptop as hardware. But while I am using this device to analyze or record my GIS datasets, it can be considered as the components of GIS, which is hardware. And the second component, which is software is a tools like we are using ArcGIS, QGIS, and in this moment I am recording this session in PowerPoint, so we can consider those tools as software. Okay, and with these softwares we can analyze, visualize, and also we can manage the GIS datasets. And the third component, which is the actually the backbone of GIS, because without the data the system is totally meaningless. Okay, like these are the components of GIS, and I have collected this information from books or websites or internets. So these are the data which I am, or you can say the information which I am providing you to record this training session. Okay, so the data is something like that, which is the most crucial thing in GIS and remote sensing. For example, this data can come from anywhere, such as satellite imagery or GPS or demographic survey or any kind of records or government officials record. And the fourth component, which is the people, or you can say users. Okay, so the user actually who are analyze the data or interpret the patterns and also apply the results in real world to solve the problems. And the fifth component is the producers, and so mainly the producers are responsible for collecting, maintaining and updating the data to ensure its accuracy and reliability. So we can consider if all these components, hardware, software, data, people and producers work together, GIS becomes a powerful tool for planning, management or decision making in the fields of GIS and remote sensing. Thank you everyone for this for listening to this session, and we hope so we can talk again with each components in different session. Thank you again.